Your boy JC, man. I want to talk to you guys about a life experience of mine. I've been seeing a lot of people saying, "Why, Lord? Why I keep going through the battles? Why I keep going through the same things?" Well, I used to say that too all the time. I used to feel like the Lord was picking on me. I used to feel like every time I turned around, He was sending me through something else. But then I started thinking positive. I played football, so I know that when a coach picks on you and when he's always riding you, when he's always giving you a hard time, it's because he see the potential in you. He see how great you can become. So look at it in that light. God, it feels like God keeps sending you through the battle and it feels like He's picking on you. He sees something that you don't see, which is a good thing. He see potential in you. He see greatness in you. So be proud of that struggle. Keep your head up. Keep fighting strong. Let's keep Team Jesus alive. Because this is what we do it for. And this little one here. Say Team Jesus.
Team Jesus.
You heard it. One love.